Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to install Python on Windows system. So you have to simply access python.org website and click on downloads button. Here you can see download Python latest version. So simply click on this button. I have already downloaded the Python installer to my machine. So I simply run the installer. Please right click on installer and run as an administrator. Click on yes. Then click on this checkbox and click customize installation. You have to don't need to change anything. Keep as it is. Click on next. Then also check this install Python for all users and keep this path as it is. Click on install. So this installation take few minutes. After few minutes, Python would successfully install on your system. So please let's wait for a few minutes. Here you will see a message like a setup was successfully installed on your system. So close this message. Now we will check Python is installed properly or not. So simply run this following command on your command prompt. You can see Python is installed with the latest version. Also run this command. You can also see pip version. So you have successfully installed Python on your Windows machine. So thank you to the watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.